Hi, welcome. My name is Cynthia Petian, and the purpose of this video is to explain to you a little bit about what AWS mining is and how you can start earning income with it. The objective of this presentation is going to be to show you how you, through AWS mining, can become a small, medium, or large participant in the mining or production of cryptocurrencies. AWS mining is headquartered in Sydney, Australia, with mining facilities across China, Paraguay, and Mongolia. Our goal is to make mining accessible to all users, regardless of age, location, investment, technical knowledge, or experience. Cloud mining offers a unique option to mine cryptocurrencies, offering a low cost of entry, as well as minimal risk and expense. Now, this is quite different from traditional models of mining that involve procurement, maintenance, and configuration of highly specialized hardware. We have offices located in Australia, Hong Kong, and China. And let me tell you a little bit about the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world. It was developed in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. By 2010, it was used to purchase its first item, which was 2 pizzas. By 2014, it's accepted as payment in several different industries, including healthcare and education. And today, in 2017, it surpassed its own record, reaching, as of today, $4,350 in value of US dollars, more than the price of gold. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it doesn't belong to any government. It has a global presence, it's easy to use, and is a revolutionary way of doing business. So what is cryptocurrency and how does crypto mining work? Cryptocurrencies do not require any intermediaries to work. The users themselves provide and validate all transactions. And the act of validating those transactions is known as mining and ensures data integrity. So basically, whenever a Bitcoin is bought, sold, or traded, a residual value is generated that serves as payment to the people who are mining Bitcoins. What's the difference between cloud mining and buying hardware? When Bitcoin was introduced to the market, digital coin mining was only possible through ordinary computers. As the coins became more popular and the amount of transactions increased, the block's complexity enhanced. Nowadays, to mine on your own, and I know several people who do, it's necessary to invest a great deal of money, have technical skills, in order to be able to set high-tech machinery and build proper infrastructures. The most convenient way to obtain good profits from mining, without having to do all of that maintenance and build hardware and maintain it yourself, is to use an automated mining service, aka cloud mining. AWS has several data centers, as mentioned before. We have mining farms in Sichuan, China, Inner Mongolia, Shanghai, China. And here you'll see actually one of our data centers showing what a mining farm would look like. So how do you get started? We actually have several different plans that you can enroll in, starting with as little as $200. $200 will buy you 1 terahash. A terahash is basically 1 trillion hashes per second being performed in order to complete the mining process. And what that generates for you in terms of profit is 0.01 Bitcoins a month. And you can buy as little or as many terahashes as you want. If you want a machine contract, you can buy $2,000 worth, which is 10 terahash. If you want a rack contract, you can buy as much as 50 terahash or more at $10,000 or more. And each $200 will generate 0.01 Bitcoins a month, 1% Bitcoin. So if you have a contract that is a machine contract with 10 terahash, that's 0.1 Bitcoin, so on and so forth. What does that mean in terms of numbers? Here's just an example based on today's values. This is subject to change based on the value of the Bitcoin in a day, in a month, in a year, or even in an hour from now. As of right now, the value of the Bitcoin, as I said, is $4,350. If you were to purchase a $200 mining contract, which generates 0.01 Bitcoins a month, at that current value, you'd be making approximately $43.50 a month. This program is designed for you as an average investor or large or small investor to be able to make a return on your investment in 6 months. A lot of programs do that for 2 to 3 years. But in as little as 6 months, we've designed a program that can allow you to not only have a return on your investment, but to double it inside of 12 months. And as the value of the Bitcoin increases, your monthly return can only increase with it. And vice versa. If the value of the Bitcoin goes down, you could have slightly lower profits that month. However, it can't go in reverse. It can't be in the negative because you're always earning a percentage of whatever it is that's being mined. So whether it's a little bit more or a little bit less, you're always going to earn something for that month, and your contract extends until you've actually been able to double your return on investment. There is no expiration date. Only the mining profits determine when your contract ends. Here's another example at $2,000. At $2,000, you'd be earning 0.1 Bitcoins a month, which is a $435 return monthly. Also showing you that if it increases in value, so would your earnings, and if it decreases in value, you'd still be earning, a nice profit monthly. Now, we provide you with every single contract access to a back office, which is really cool because it actually shows you your mining block and what's being mined and how much terahash you have. It shows you all of your daily estimates, what you can expect to receive, and this updates every few hours, which is really nice because you actually see what you're mining several times a day accumulating in your back office. One of the reasons why I decided to join AWS is because of its affiliate program. AWS values customers and makes a commitment to them in order to build a brand. As an affiliate member, if you choose to participate in the program, you get a 10% referral bonus every single time you refer a friend or family member or associate to AWS. So for example, if you own a mining contract and you're part of the affiliate program, you refer a friend at a $600 mining bonus, that's a $60 referral bonus to you, which is really nice. We also offer an acceleration bonus as you're referring friends and family and associates into the program. You also get to increase your mining power. So whatever it is that you purchase in your own mining contract, referring friends and family to the program also help you increase your mining power. And as you increase your mining power, your profits increase, which means you can earn on your investment much quicker. And then finally, we have performance bonuses, which is based on sales volume of both you and the members that you refer. And those bonuses go from anywhere from $300 all the way up to $300,000. So it's really a nice, lucrative program that you can participate in. So I hope I've been able to give you a nice brief summary to explain a little bit more about what cloud mining services are, what Bitcoin is, and how you can profit from it. And hopefully you'll decide to join us and become an AWS mining partner investor. And if you'd like to do so, get back to the person who showed you this video and feel free to reach out and ask any questions. We're always here to help answer questions and look forward to building a nice, healthy business with you guys. Thank you.